Did you know that a few words from the Federal Reserve Chair can send gold sharply higher or lower? In today's video, I am going to show you the exact words and phrases you should listen for during a Fed press conference and how they can give you bullish or bearish signal for gold. How Fed speeches impact gold prices. A trader's guide to decoding hawkish versus dovish central bank statements. Section 1 Bullish signal for gold. Understanding dovish Federal Reserve monetary policy language. Key dovish phrases. Number 1. Rate cuts may be appropriate. Number 2. Inflation is cooling. Number 3. Inflation moving toward 2% target. Number 4. The labor market is weakening. Number 5. Economic growth is slowing. Number 6. Preparing to support the economy. Why dovish Fed gold surge? US dollar falls. US dollar falls. Expectation of low interest rates weaken US dollar demand relative to foreign currencies. Yields drop. Treasury yield decline, reducing the opportunity of cost of holding non-yielding gold assets. Gold rallies. Investors turn to gold, a store of value, driving up buying volume and prices. Section 2 Bearish signal for gold. Understanding hawkish Federal Reserve monetary policy language. Key hawkish phrases bearish. Number 1. Inflation remains elevated. Number 2. Higher for longer. Number 3. Not ready to cut not ready to cut rates. Number 4. There is no rush to cut rates. Number 5. Could rise rates if necessary. Number 6. Labor market remains resilient. Why hawkish Fed gold pressures? US dollar strengthens, higher interest rate draw foreign capital, strengthening the US and making gold more expensive for buyers holding other currencies. Treasury yield rises. Rising yield offer guaranteed returns on bonds, shifting investors' preference away from non-yielding gold bullion. Gold selling pressure. Diverging capital flows create strong sell-off in gold market contracts. Section 3 Golden Rule. Do not trade one word. Always analyze the full economic context and broader tone of the speech. 3 core pillars to watch. Number 1. Inflation trajectory. Is inflation steadily cooling toward 2% or is it remaining sticky and elevated? Number 2. Labor market health. Is employment weakening significantly or showing unexpected strength and resilience? Number 3. Rate outlook. Is the Fed preparing imminent cuts or holding rate highs for longer? The simple checklist. Fed language, keywords, policy stance, and gold impact. This is the simple checklist. Rate cut, inflation cooling, slowdown, policy stance, dovish, gold impact, bullish up. Higher for longer, elevated inflation, policy stance, hawkish, gold impact, bearish or down. No rush to cut, economy strong, policy stance, hawkish shift, gold impact, bearish or down. Room to lower rates, weak labor, dovish shift, policy stance, gold impact, bullish or up. Master trading strategy. golden rule. Do not trade the headline. Always confirm the market reaction, the US dollar index or DXY, treasury yields, and gold price action before executing your trading setup. Thank you for watching. If you found this masterclass helpful, support the channel for more Forex and gold strategy videos. Subscribe for more lessons. Bye.